Welcome back to Viha Designs. We had an in-house production top bottom with short shrug. Sleeves and slitted long top with ankle length palazzo pants with a Punjabi concept shrug, sleeveless shrug. So dupatta wear comfortable wear pattern and Punjabi suit look. Price main highlight 1,500. 1,500 range very gorgeous top bottom with short shrug available. Pre-booking order place 20 working days in dispatching concept miss try detachable shrug plain top and bottom with printed dupatta useful. So we 2-in-1 use top and bottom both fittings comfortable because rayon inside and the shrug also rayon fabric printed rayon back sleeveless and Punjabi concept sleeveless shrug. So second one is green john wide neck inside wide neck outside shrug so wide try comfortable try reddish maroon tone red blend maroon lines very special jacket closer shot washable lasting complaints in-house pre-booking 20 days dispatching this try color navy blue tone beautiful navy blue color multi lines beautiful sleeveless shrug or Punjabi concept shrug colors pre-booking maximum speed bargain book last last so in the concept styling shrug this styling so wide round plain top and bottom shrug and remove shrug so 2-in-1 use printed dupatta miss concept try